welcome to another day in the life vlog. This is going to be a little bit of a cooking vlog and a candy taste vlog. So getting ready for Halloween. Since we're not having a party or anything this year, I thought it could still be fun to make some spooky items to eat. So I'm fixing to go to Target. The first time I've been to Target in a couple of weeks since we have the puppy. She's a handful, very cute. But I haven't really had a chance to get out much. So I'm gonna go into Target, collect what I need, and then get back and I'll show you what I'm gonna make. And we are a few days from Halloween, but I can tell you right now, it is definitely Christmas in Target's mind. The entire store is transforming into Christmas. So I gotta get home so I can make these Halloween goodies before before the 31st, since it's already Christmas. So I returned from a successful shop in Target. I only got what I needed to get, which is surprising. Sad seeing all the Halloween stuff, which you can see I have my little Target Mickey Mouse shirt on, all the Halloween stuff being put away. But Christmas is coming out, so that's fun too. I think everyone's just kind of ready to get this year to over with. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to make when I get home. I'm going to set everything up, clean everything, and then show you what I'll be making for our spooky night in. Hello, and I am back, and I am ready to show you all the spooky fun things that we're going to make. I'm making several things that are super easy to do. Two of them are pre-packaged, which are the famous, the Pillsbury cookies, the pumpkin, and the ghost, which I've been saving up. I got these back in September, and I'm just now using them a few days before Halloween, so we're going to cook those. And I'm also going to show you how to make pizza skulls and some Mummy jalapeno poppers. You can make them, I'm gonna make them a little less spicy than probably most people would like, but we're not crazy about spice, so we're gonna tone it down just a little bit, but they're still gonna have that that kick to them and the fun Mummy effect. And also, if you are doing anything small, like if you're doing it with your kids or your husband, family, girlfriends, college, roommates, whatever, this is just a little small gathering of things of what you can do, since we're not supposed to be doing any parties, which I'm very sad that my annual Halloween party could not happen this year, but we're still gonna do something with my husband and I, just kind of small. So they also have these sliders from White Castle. I never tried them before, but I thought that this would be a good time to try. We can just pop those in the microwave. And then I'm also gonna make some little pigs in a blanket. And of course, those are super easy to make, but the main thing I'll be showing you how to do is our skulls, our cookies, and our jalapeno poppers. Things first, I'm gonna get started on the jalapeno poppers, and I'm actually gonna pre-do everything right now, and then when it's time, probably about an hour beforehand, I'll pop them into the oven, 400 degrees. Our oven is kind of slow, so I'll sometimes even do it a little bit higher, but for most people, 400 should be perfect for this and the pizza skulls, I believe. So, and the pigs in the blanket, I'll double check, but I'm probably just keep it at 400. Like I said, our one's a little low, so kind of make it up a little bit higher to make it cook faster and completely. So I have my jalapenos here, and these are super easy to handle, but I will say, in my experience when I made them last year, wear gloves. One, because also I think it's cleaner just to have, I grew up in a restaurant business, so I always have to wear my gloves whenever I'm cooking, preparing anything for anyone. And it also will protect underneath your nails and your hands, because these are hot and the seeds and everything can get in there and be painful. But also, even if you want to put some, it's silly, but maybe you want to put some eye protection on, just because you don't want anything popping out, because we are going to be scraping the insides out and getting all that out and making it really hollow inside. And we're going to fill it with cream cheese and mozzarella, which I have here. You can also do it with pepper jack. I think most people do it with pepper jack, but they didn't have any at Target, so I went with mozzarella. But this is also gonna be better because it's gonna cut a lot of that heat and just kind of make it cheesy. But then the outside's still gonna be hot, but not as hot as you're having pepper jack and the jalapeno together. And then on top of that, we're gonna take some crescent rolls, cut them into little pieces, and that's how we're gonna make the Mummy effect. And then add our little eyes, as you can see here. But first things first, I'm gonna get all this stuff cleaned, get it set up, and then I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. I have our jalapenos washed and ready, and I'm just gonna show you how to do the first one, which you can see my entire cabinet here, open over here. But we're gonna slice it right down the middle, then get out all the seeds and basically just make it like 2 halves of like a hollow jalapeno. So we're gonna cut it right down the middle. So it will look like this. And we're gonna get all the skunk out, all the middle parts to make it hollow. The jalapenos, I'm fixing to get all the seeds and the middle part out so we can stuff that with our cream cheese and our mozzarella, and then put our little strips around it to make the mummy, and of course complete with our little eyes. And once I do that, I'm gonna put those in the refrigerator until it's time. But first I got these seeds out and complete the process, but this is what they look like, all halved. So as you can see, just a half of a jalapeno. And we're gonna get all these seeds and everything out, and I'll show you what comes next. Okay, so we have our cream cheese, and this is what goes inside. The cream cheese and the cheese, you really just mix together. I'm just trying to get it all in there. And next, also we have our pieces of crescent roll that I've cut into little strips, which is gonna make the mummy, just to wrap those around. And we have our mix ready, as you can see here, and we're just gonna start stuffing those jalapenos, pop them in the refrigerator, and then when it's time to eat them, we're gonna put them in the not the microwave, but in the oven. So I'm gonna show you what the end result is gonna be after we stuff these. As you can see, this is what they look like before they go into the oven, but we have a few more hours until that. So this is the finished product, and all it really is clearing out jalapenos and putting your cream cheese and cheese. I used mozzarella this time, like I said before, these little candy eyes, and your crescent roll to make it a little mummy. So we'll see how they turn out. I'm hoping they look good, but right now they're pretty cute. Put those in the refrigerator. I have the oven heating up because I'm getting ready to make everyone's favorite, the pumpkin and ghost cookies. These are so easy to do. They're already pre-made. All you do is pop them out, put them on your baking sheet, put them in for I think for 20 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, not 20, 10 to 12 minutes. We're gonna do both, so I'm gonna use the Halloween candy. But we're gonna do both, and these are also gonna be with our little sampler tonight, and then I'm gonna get started on the pizza skulls. So get these in the oven, and then we'll start on the pizza skulls. Lee's just taking a nap. She's sleeping. She's crazy all day, so she's taking a little nappy right now. Alright, so I have the cookies in the oven. I went ahead and did this. This can pretty much be eaten anytime. I'm gonna do the jalapeno poppers a little bit later. It's just like I'm gonna do these a little bit later, but I'm gonna make them now. And first of all, what you need is one of these skull pans. I've had this one for a few years, but I know that they did have some at Target. This one was from Williams-Sonoma, I believe, from a few years back, but I really, really enjoy it. Actually get a lot of use out of it around Halloween time. As you can see, it's kind of dirty. But I'm gonna be making these little pizza skulls, and what's really awesome is it's like 3 ingredients. So easy to do. All you need is pizza crust. I just like to use this Pillsbury pizza crust, then some mozzarella for cheese, and a little bit of pizza sauce. And if you want to add pepperonis like we do, then add some pepperonis. And those are the only ingredients you need to place this in here and get some really cool, really yummy pizza skulls. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all that, and I'll show you the finished product. And these are so cute. Oh, they're so colorful and fun. And I will show you, oh, little Z is up. Say hey Z. Little Z is up, so it's to take her out. But these are the pizza skulls. I left one empty because I didn't want to make that many. But I'm hoping these turn out okay. I'm not sure. I might have messed up a little bit, but we'll see what they look like when they come out. But I'll cook these a little bit later, and I'll show you everything and how it comes together. So I am back, and as you can see, I'm getting ready to, if you see my Easy Bake coven shirt on, which I think is really cute and very appropriate for this. I have my jalapeno popper and our pizza skulls ready to go. And what I just did, the finishing touch was to take an egg and just kind of stroke on each one of these. It kind of gives it that golden brown coloring, which is what we're hoping for. So I'm about to put it in. I have it at 400, and you're gonna put the skulls in for about 20-25 minutes, and the jalapeno poppers for about 15 minutes. Just kind of check on them. They may need longer or less, just depending on how your oven is and how many you have in certain variables. So just kind of keep your eye on them. But that's about the estimated time. So let's put these in. Let's see what they look like. John, we were waiting. The skeleton pizzas and the jalapeno poppers, they're almost done. And you contributed so much by being so cute and standing here. But he's gonna help me put the eyes on. And look at our cute decorative plates here.
So cute.
And so one thing I forgot to mention is I put the eyes on first and then I quickly took them off because I realized that would melt. I did not remember my own instructions from when I made these last year. So we're gonna put the eyes on and then get the skeleton pepperonis out. So we have added the eyes.
Whoa, so cool.
I know, right? And they look
This looks like it's cross-eyed.
It does look like that, but I mean, we did the best that we could do. But these guys are really cute and yummy.
Yummy.
And they have the mozzarella, so they're not super hot, just a little bit of a kick. The skeletons look like they've seen some things, but I mean, they actually look really spooky.
Got some blood trickling down the sides, you know.
Yeah, I think they actually look pretty good.
Yeah. They're spooky.
Spooky, scary skeletons. I have John here with me, and I thought the perfect way to end this vlog would be do a little review of a bunch of Halloween candies that are unique to the season. And John hates everything pumpkin, so if you don't like pumpkin, then this will determine, or if you do really like it, you can see which ones are the best, or if you should try it.
Okay.
So the first one that we're gonna try is this Witch's Brew, which is Kit Kat, and people seem to be obsessed with these. I think you might have had one time, but I'm not sure. But I'm gonna let you open the Witch's Brew. I'm gonna have you test it out while I sit here and, because I've had a lot of these already, so I know what they taste like, but there's John.
It's green, so that's already a bad start.
You guys show it. John's
Green
more of
Kit
a
Kat.
streamer for games, not vlogging for candy.
It's not bad. It's not as good as a normal Kit Kat, though.
This is what it looks like on the inside. So, the Witch's Brew, I don't know what has the end of it.
It's pretty much normal inside. It's just got this green.
I really like it. You don't like anything with chocolate, so I can see why you don't like
Some
it.
marshmallow flavored cream is what it says. I don't know.
Okay, so we'll send. I'll have that one. Okay. This is another Kit Kat. This is pumpkin pie. So, I think it's gonna be really gross. But maybe it's not. I'm not sure. It might be good. All right. You gonna taste it? No, I'll taste
Is it
part
Kit
of it.
Kat too?
Yeah. Is it gross?
There's a lot of pumpkin stuff, which I don't like.
Let's see. Oh, it's not bad. If you like pumpkin, you'll like it. It has a pumpkin spice latte in Kit Kat form.
Pretty much.
Okay. The next are these M&M Cocoa Krispies. So I'm guessing it has little Rice Krispie Cocos in it.
Okay.
And this is what they look like. Fall colors, as you can tell. But we're getting ready for Thanksgiving. Okay. Let me hand you a few. And this is. But you like these?
Yeah. I mean, it is like the crispy M&Ms, but it's chocolate instead of like the normal crispy kind.
Those,
The crispy M&Ms used to come in the blue bag. I'm too tall for this.
so be short like me.
The crispy M&Ms used to come in like the blue bag. I think were the best M&Ms ever. I don't know if they still do them or not. There might be like a green bag now, but this is basically a chocolate version of those.
Yeah,
Oh,
these are
we're
good.
good.
Okay, next we have the Reese's Pumpkin, which this is a classic, I feel like, that it's not Halloween until you have one of these, which we also had some Frankenstein Reese's cups, but I ate all those, so those were long gone, but they were good. And this is, does this look like a pumpkin to you?
Here's the thing. This is their Halloween pumpkin, okay? Then when it comes to Easter, they turn it up like this, and it's their Easter egg. And then when it's Christmas, they just make the bottom a little fatter, so it's a Christmas tree. It's the exact same thing, basically. They just change the mold a little bit.
Okay, John's gonna try it, because I ate all the Frankenstein ones. And it's good. It's a Reese cup. Reese's.
So it's not pumpkin flavor, it's just shaped
It
like,
just looks like a pumpkin.
shaped like a pumpkin. It's white chocolate, like, or white cream, whatever. That's fine. It's not as
Okay.
good as normal Reese's.
I'm
But
gonna
it's
go off
fine.
camera for 1 second so I can grab these. We're not gonna try these on camera because we've actually already had them, which I grabbed the wrong thing, but it's okay. There are these bag of bones, and there are white cheddar ones that are amazing. But if you like hot, then you'll like these flaming hot ones, which John and I, we like them, but our mouths were on fire after we
Much
had
higher than I
them.
thought they would be.
Yeah, so I grabbed this thinking that this is the other one, but this is just like a little tiny pack of Cheetos that's Halloween looking. But as you can see from our candy here, I'll hold it up so you can see. But which one was your favorite?
The M&Ms. Like I said, those crispy M&Ms are in my
I kind of
opinion,
like the Witch's Brew.
in my
But,
opinion, the
yeah.
crispy M&Ms are even better than regular M&Ms. I don't like. I mean, peanut M&Ms are fine, like peanut, almond, all those other nuts. But like the crispy Rice Krispie
You're such an expert.
inside is the best kind. Also, by the way, they make chocolate. If we're just gonna go on M&Ms here, they make a chocolate bar now that has M&Ms inside of it, and they have like regular peanut, whatever. There's a crispy version, is phenomenal. But that's pretty much what these are. They're just a chocolate version of that, so they're good.
So I choose the Witch's Brew. He chooses the M&Ms, but they're all good. So go out and get some spooky candy, and you can watch a spooky movie, and drive or walk around your own neighborhood to see all the scary decorations. We're gonna go later this week to see one of the houses I showed you guys that I want to see at night. It's the alien house because I think it's really good. But I want to show John and see it all lit up and see the happiness on his face to see it. But thank you so much for watching this Day in the Life vlog. I hope you enjoyed getting to see our new little pup, to see more of John, and to see Halloween content.
And to watch Succession, which has nothing to do with Halloween.
Yeah, it's whatever. But thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.